FedEx 3609 Heavy, winds 210 at 4, runway 22 left at Whiskey, clear for takeoff.
22 left at Whiskey, clear for takeoff. FedEx 3609 Heavy.
Yeah, 2607 tower.
2607 on the stadium,
2607, square off your last run to final, please. Birds reported at 1000 on the final, winds 210 at 5, runway 29 to clear to land.
29 clear to land, and we'll square off the turn, United.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, switching, so long. Good morning, Tower United 2014, coming up to get Tower, we're staying with you. FedEx 3609.
FedEx 3609, go ahead.
Morning, Tower United 2014. FedEx 3609 just hit a bird, we're declaring emergency, returning to the airfield.
FedEx 3609, Reg, contact departure 2855, I'll let them know. Guys, 872, cancel landing clearance, turn left and climb.
Turn left and climb, Jazz 872. Spirit 341 needs to get off the runway.
FedEx, I'm sorry, Spirit 341, make 2 left turns off the runway. Yeah, Mike?
Alpha Sierra, short of Mike.
I'm sorry, right turn Mike, right turn Papa, short of Whiskey.
Mike, Papa Shore, Spirit 341. Tower Spirit wings 341. We believe we saw their engine fall off the right wing.
Departure, FedEx 3609 Heavy, emergency.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, go ahead.
Yeah, we just hit a bird on takeoff, need to return to Newark.
Roger, do you have the airport in sight?
Stand by. We'll take a vector for back to 22 left.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, you want the ILS runway 22 left?
Correct.
Okay, fly heading is 030, maintain 2000, speed your discretion.
030 heading, and speed our discretion. FedEx 3609 Heavy.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, if able, you're going to maintain 2000 for the approach, and it'll be the ILS 22 left. Information echoes current.
22 left, copy.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, turn right heading 070. You ready to come in now?
Correct for FedEx 3609 Heavy.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, speed your discretion, heading 090.
090 heading for FedEx 3609 Heavy, speed our discretion.
Roger, you want a short approach? FedEx 3609 Heavy, further right heading 160.
160, FedEx 3609 Heavy.
Car 99, proceed onto runway 22 left. The subject aircraft is on a 10-mile final.
22 left from one.
And Car 99, I'm pretty sure he hit it on the ascent, not on the runway.
Alright, copy that, thanks.
Yeah, he was about 400 feet, and then something came off the engine, probably about 500-600 feet, fell to the ground.
Yeah, I think he had a bird strike. He lost the right engine.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, fly heading 180 if able, give me the souls on board.
Hey, 180 heading, 3 souls on board, and plenty of fuel, and FedEx 3609 heading is 180.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, 4 from Buzz, heading 190, 2000 till established, cleared ILS runway 22 left approach.
Cleared 22 left approach, and FedEx 3609 Heavy, 2000 feet.
United 2014, United 887, and United 1309. Expect the airport closure here and holding instructions shortly. Stand by.
887.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, I'll show you about to join in a mile. Contact Newark Tower 118.3.
823, good day. Thank you. Good work.
Good day.
Tower, FedEx 3609 emergency, still indicating right engine fire. 22 left.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, Newark Tower, continue inbound, vehicle on the runway.
Okay, we'll be stopping on the runway, FedEx 3609 Heavy.
Tower, 99's off, 22 left, nothing found.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, clear to land, runway 22 left, wind 2205, will you be evacuating? FedEx 3609, no visible fire, it appears no visible fire or smoke coming from the right engine.
Copy, copy, we're still stopping on the runway, FedEx 3609 Heavy.
FedEx 3609, roger. FedEx 3609 Heavy, disregard my last, it does appear the right engine is emitting fire. FedEx 3609 Heavy, you copy my last?
Stand by. All right, go ahead, 3609 Heavy.
FedEx 3609, it does appear that there is smoke and fire from the right engine now.
Copy. FedEx 3609 Heavy, stopping on the runway.
Roger.
Tower, 22 left is closed.
Roger, 22 left closed.
FedEx 3609, parking brake set, we're running checklist, listening on frequency.
FedEx 3609 Heavy, roger.
And Tower, is the fire chief on the radio here?
Yes, sir, he's listening. All we see is smoke coming from the affected area now.
Okay, fire chief, this is FedEx 3609.
Truck 1, are you on?
He looks like he's talking, but he's not on.
FedEx from Rescue.
Yeah, rescue is FedEx.
You guys stepped on each other, say again.
Did you blow bottles?
Yes, we blew both bottles on the right engine, and we had a fire indication all the way down until landing.
That's affirmative, you still do. We're going to put some water on it.
Okay, would you recommend that we get out, or?
We're going to start setting you up. We will set up on the L1 side, firm.
Copy that. We're going to shut the other engine down, and we got the AP running, just keep in contact. So.
Copy.
Tower, this is FedEx 3609, great work, guys.
Thank you. You guys okay?
Right now, we're standing by. Tower 3609 Heavy on board. Just a heads up, I know we're closed here. We struck the birds starting that left turn, just passing 500 feet, so probably about 700-800 feet is when the birds took out the right engine.
Okay, roger, thank you.